Hey guys, I'm Selena.
I'm Marissa.
K-pop and there's Buster. Today we're gonna do teaser 3 of Born to Be Beep 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 Beep. I feel like the Red Runner. Beep 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 Beep.
Okay, so I remember in the last time when we did the two teasers, I said watch for part 2 for the music video.
Cut that out.
Oh, you did? Well, then cut that out.
Thanks, editing work. Yeah, cut that out.
Okay, so here we go.
Let's start this.
Oh, if you see us randomly throwing things across the screen, it's because we're trying to give treats to our dog.
Nice. Warning: you have parked in a no parking area.
And then the other one says
The license plate
warning.
number has been noted and recorded. There's no license plate number on that. They're lying, and it's in English and blah blah blah. We have it. I'm reading. Ooh, a yellow. Okay, I think of that Trevino from Initial D now.
Look, they're like, what happened? Busted in Sears. Oh, we're in it today. What?
What? There's somebody moving. They're like,
I know. He's like, wait.
Beep beep ba ba. Beep beep beep. Beep beep. That's a song from the 80s. Beep beep.
So what you think? That's funny. They're over the menu. They're like bashing his head against the windshield. They're just like, it's your fault, basically.
Right? And then this other one over there, come back! I'm like,
Car's not even moving.
I know! I'm like, I guess it says typical music video. Because think about it, you saw that in not G-Dragon, Top and GD and High. High? It's one of the songs that they did in the car.
I don't remember.
I know Shiny did it in Ring Ding Dong.
They just had the car in the background.
They were in the car.
Yeah, it wasn't moving.
Yeah, I'm like, how many times have you seen that in music videos? What'd you think of? I also saw Pinot once.
I know.
Like solo, but he was in the group, but you only saw him once, and you saw.
Riding solo. They're doing like this and then beep. I'm like, oh, okay.
When do you honk like that? You honk like this.
I know, right?
Makes me think, hey girl! What's next?
Hey, girl.
Hey girl, can I buy you a drink? No. If a guy used it on me, I had to laugh and be like, haha, no.
He probably gets some brownie points because he probably would know what that's from.
I know, but I'm like, no.
Like, you got brownie points just for knowing where that's from. You threw it on the blanket.
I know. It's how I roll. Beep beep.
Okay. Alright. So.
We're trying to do like more. Teaser 1, teaser 2, teaser 3. And then 3.
3, because teaser 1 was him walking. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, look at me watching my right. Those are little
Teaser
cars.
2 was just
chicks shaking butts, wearing clothes that my dad would kill me in.
Yeah, I like this one better.
I like this one more. I think it's because the music. You hear the music more.
Ow, that hurt my finger.
I'm very, very good.
Okay.
Sorry, I was doing Block B's a frog dance. Da 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 da.
I feel like you're gonna hit me.
I'm afraid,
Oh, girl.
I'm afraid I'm gonna give myself backlash over here. I hit my neck so hard. 2. Just on inhale. 2. Anywho, but what do you think of the clothes? I didn't see the word hoodie.
It actually looked back into it. It wasn't a weird hoodie. It's just the way the light was hitting it.
Okay, I would have said like, no, what the heck are they making you wear? I saw the baby a lot more than some of the other members.
I saw them all.
But
Like,
no,
because it's a teaser, you know, they don't ever exactly show them all.
But Pinel's like 1 second. His was like more than a second. You have to admit. But I'm scared 1 to 10. How do you think?
Since we haven't seen the music video yet, I'm not expecting too much. I feel like they're just getting, you know, like, I give it like a 6.
A 6? 6 right now, and then we're doing a music video reaction. When we actually watch it, it'll probably be different.
I know, we may like it more.
Right? Until then.
Deuces. I just said that. Yes, I just said deuces.
Well, aren't you old school?
Old school like the old school. Brownie points if you know where that's from.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
You're weird when you said bye.